Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to do this summer glowy, dewy, kind of bronzy look. It's also very floral. It's a shiny, shimmery look. It's perfect for nighttime and daytime. So if you guys would like to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. Starting off with the Morphe Vintage Rose palette, going in with the shade Flourish right here. I'm going to apply that on my outer corners and my crease and blend that out. Now I'm applying this color right here. It's called Legend Has It. And I'm using the same brush and applying it into the crease, kind of blending it out for that shimmery color. I'm going to go ahead and do the same to the other eye. Now I'm going in with an angled brush and applying this shade right here. It's called Forget Me Not. It's this brown one right here. It's a very matte shade. Basically, I'm grabbing some of that and applying it to this outer corner right here. And just blending that out. Going ahead to the other eye and doing the same exact thing. I'm creating a cut crease with some concealer. And I only want to go halfway. I don't want to go full way. Going ahead with the same exact methods to the other eye. I'm applying this shade right here. It's called Flourish. It's a very shimmery shade. And I'm applying this with a flat brush. I'm going to use tapping motions. And with the other eye, I'm going to do the same thing. Now for the rest of this, I'm going back in with this angled brush and using whatever's left over on that brush and just kind of blend everything out. Want to go with this white shade right here and apply that to your brow bone. Going in and applying some bronzer. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Until my next video, everyone, stay safe and take care of yourselves.